From an evolutionary perspective, the human mind's main goal is to keep you safe and in your comfort zone and avoid risk. But great things never come for mediocrity, quite settling for average and strive for extraordinary. Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no hope at all. Never give up. Failure is only the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligent. Boldly go in the direction of your dreams. Stand tall and show the world what you are made of. When the world beats you down, find a reason to get back up again. Never give up on success. Try again and again. Feed your mind ideas of success, not failure. Remember, the only way you can fail is if you give up. Every time you fail, you come one step closer to success. There is a fire burning inside you that is very powerful. It is waiting to burn bright. You are meant to do great things. You are not scared. You are courageous. You are not weak. You are powerful. You are not ordinary. You are remarkable. Do not back down. Do not give up. Following your dreams can be both terrifying and exciting. Courage is facing fear. Fear of failure holds most people back. You are not most people. Our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to succeed is always to try just one more time. Persist and pursue other about your plans as they are real. Nobody can do this but you. Nobody will get in the way of your dreams. Luck is great, but most of life is hard work. Sometimes the only way out of stress is through it. Face struggle to overcome challenges in life. Many times, struggle happen to help to teach us a lesson. We can either learn from that lesson or deny it. Spend 80% of your time focusing on opportunities of tomorrow rather than the problem of yesterday. Never give up on something you really want. It's difficult to wait, but it's more difficult to regret. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Don't give up. Go for your dreams. It is your turn. Give it your best, and your dreams will come to life. Success is yours. You should never give up, no matter how hard the situation is. Always believe that something beautiful is going to happen.